Tuto number 3. Downloading the Rango app on the App Store.
Hi, I'm Alex from GoSense. Today we will learn how to download the Rango app on the App Store. Rango works with the Rango GoSense app. First of all, make sure that you have access to internet by enabling your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. In order to download Rango, first open the App Store on your iPhone. AppStore is an app marketplace available on all iPhones. Click on the Research tab, and in the search bar at the top of the screen, type Rango GoSense. Then, validate your research. In the results list, search the Rango app and then select it. In order to start downloading the app, click on Install and wait. The download should take up to a few seconds. You know now how to download the Rango app on your iPhone. Until next time, see you soon.